This is the square teeth fitting rows. This is the deep teeth fitting rows. This is a patio fitting rows. This is the grooving fitting rows. The application of the fitting rows is inputting the material to the grinding rows smoothly and dispatch the material to the grinding rows very nicely. Now let's go to the third step. See, there are some small transparent pipes. What's the usage for this small pipe? I will show you later. Here is one big hole inside the roller body. Do you know what's the usage for this hole? It's for aspirate the dust from the roller body. When the roller mill is working, there are some dust and fine powder will be happen. Then through this aspiration pipe, the dust will be aspirated to the air jet filter, and the roller body will be very clean, and the workshop will be also clean. Now let's go to the third step. At the third step, we will assemble the main grinding rows with bearing and bearing house, also main cylinder, some arms. Look at the surface of the rows. This is the teeth rows. It's for breaking grains. We also have smooth rows for further processing. In next video show, my colleague will introduce how to process the surface of the rows. Welcome to watch it tomorrow. In Pingle Company, we adopt centralization lubrication. There are 4 holes. The operator only need give the grease from the hose. Then the grease will go to the bearing through pipes. Through which pipe? Yes, here. Through this small transparent pipe. Okay, give the grease, please. See, the grease is coming to the bearing through the pipe. Yes. The operator only give the grease through the hose is enough. No need to give the grease to every and each bearing. This type of design will save lots of time for the operator. Also, it's very safety for the operator. They need not to stop the machinery. They can give the grease anytime. No need to stop it single second. Now let's focus on the feeding system. This feeding rows unit is able to open and remove complete. Then the operator can clean it or remove it or replace it very quickly and easily. They only need to stop the roller body few minutes. It will save lots of time for replace the feeding rows. You know, saving time is earn money for the boss. At this step, we will set up the V-belt pulley, timing pulley, tension pulley, and some arms. For this work, we will use some special design hydraulic pump and homemade device. See, the worker will operate it. I will show you. The hydraulic pump will give heavy pressure to the pulley. Then the pulley will go to the shaft smoothly. Slowly but smoothly. This device will help the worker do the work nicely and smoothly. Will also make the machinery quality and accuracy. See this device. This is a inspector for the shaft level and parallel. We will check the rose level. See, the air bubble is in the center. That means the two rows are leveling. Okay, let's go to the fourth step. At this step, we will also set up some pulley because we have double-decker roller mill. For the double-decker roller mill, we will set up the grinding rolls and pulley, downside pulley at this position. See the timing belt already set up here. The gear meter also set up. At the fifth step, we will set up the roller mill cover. Pingle Company roller mill cover is painted by special plastic powder with temperature treatment. The surface is very hard and smooth. Painting will make the machinery look more beautiful. At this step, we will also set up the electronic parts and VFD. See, there is one small box. We will put all the electric parts and components inside the small box. It will save space. Also will save lots of wire and cable. You need just to connect the wire and cable with the main power is enough. No need to connecting the wire at site anymore. It's too much headache work. Okay, now the rollerboard is complete. We will try run it. Oh, let's see the VFD and PLC. The VFD is from home room.